Howdy barbecue fans, let's turn this into this. At first I wasn't going to video this, but there's so much excess fat on this set of spare ribs. I want to go ahead and give it a trim and show you guys what I do to trim it up. I'm going to cut the whole spare rib down into a St. Louis cut, trim off all the excess, and I'm going to use the excess in a really good way, and you'll be able to see that. You can see from what I got here, this is so big. It's going over both sides of my cutting board. Trim it up. Watch this. Look at all that. So now, all that excess fat's gone, and we have a nice, neat St. Louis cut. And meat left over for a whole nother meal. Let's take some of this off also. So that's going to be my final trim. This is the first peek after 2 hours and 19 minutes, and that glop that went in there